Creating interactive dashboards with Plotly in Python. Plotly is a leading visualization tool that allows users to create interactive graphs and charts for data representation. It is widely used in various fields, including data science, web development, and Python programming, to visualize data in a more engaging and meaningful way. Getting started with Plotly in Python. Plotly in Python enables interactive, dynamic data visualizations. It opens up a world of possibilities. This guide will cover the basics of Plotly. It will explain key features and give steps to create your first plots. Creating interactive dashboards with Plotly Express. Plotly Express has many interactive charts. They include scatter plots, bar charts, line charts, and heat maps. With Plotly Express, you can easily customize your charts. You can add annotations and create interactive features. Plotly Express lets you create interactive dashboards. It's a simple way to visualize data. It helps you make dynamic, engaging interfaces with ease. Dashboard creation with Plotly Dash. It's the perfect tool for the job. Plotly Dash is a powerful framework for building interactive web-based dashboards with Python. With Plotly Dash, you can create custom layouts. You can add interactive components like sliders, drop-downs, and buttons. You can also make real-time updates for dynamic data visualization. Plotly examples and tutorials. To help you, there are many examples and tutorials online for creating interactive dashboards with Plotly in Python. The Plotly docs explain different chart types and dashboard layouts. They include code snippets, too. Conclusion. In conclusion, using Plotly in Python to make interactive dashboards is a simple and powerful way to visualize data.